Welcome to our discussion about Betty Crocker Angel Food Cake Mix. This mix is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a delicious and light dessert. It is made primarily from egg whites, which gives it a fluffy texture and a wonderful taste. One of the standout features of this cake mix is its protein content. Egg whites are a great source of protein, making this cake a suitable choice for those who want to increase their protein intake. If you are following a low-carb diet, this cake mix can fit right into your meal plan. It contains fewer carbohydrates than many traditional cake mixes, allowing you to enjoy dessert without straying from your dietary goals. Making a cake from Betty Crocker Angel Food Cake Mix is easy and quick. All you need to do is add water and mix. There is no need for additional ingredients like oil or butter. This simplicity makes it a great choice for busy bakers or anyone looking for a no-fuss dessert option. Once you prepare the batter, you can bake it in a tube pan. The unique shape helps the cake rise beautifully. When it is done baking, let it cool upside down in the pan. This step is crucial to maintain its airy texture. After your cake has cooled, it is ready to be served. You can enjoy it plain or dress it up with your favorite toppings. Fresh fruits, whipped cream, or a light drizzle of chocolate can elevate this cake to a whole new level. Not only is this cake a treat, but it also provides nutritional benefits. The egg whites in the mix offer essential amino acids that your body needs. This makes it a healthier dessert choice when compared to richer, denser cakes. Many people appreciate that Betty Crocker Angel Food Cake Mix is low in fat. This means you can indulge in a dessert without the guilt that often comes with traditional cakes. Also, it is a versatile dessert. You can easily customize it to your liking. Add flavors like vanilla, almond, or even citrus zest to the batter for a unique twist. If you are looking for a fun baking activity with family or friends, this cake mix is perfect. Kids love the fluffy texture and mild sweetness. Baking together can create lasting memories while enjoying a delicious outcome. Another great thing about this cake is that it is gluten-free. This makes it suitable for those with gluten sensitivities or those who choose to avoid gluten for dietary reasons. In addition to being a delightful dessert, you can also use this cake mix as a base for other creations. Consider making a trifle by layering cake pieces with fruit and pudding. It can also be crumbled to use as a topping for yogurt or ice cream. Betty Crocker has created a product that not only tastes great, but also aligns with current dietary trends. The focus on protein and lower carbohydrates makes this cake mix a smart choice for health-conscious consumers. In conclusion, Betty Crocker Angel Food Cake Mix is a wonderful option for anyone looking to enjoy a light and delicious dessert. Its protein-rich egg whites and low-carb profile make it a great addition to your baking repertoire. So why not give it a try? You might just find your new favorite cake. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe to get all future updates from us.